Hey, welcome to Adventures in Pop-Ups. This is the place you come for campsite reviews. Yep, we're doing another one. And we are in Colorado.
Yes.
At the RMNP, Rocky Mountain National Park. Here it is. Check out the hat. She got one. It's a youth hat. She's got a small head. And so check it out, and we'll be right back. Hey, welcome back. So we love the Rocky Mountain National Park.
Yes.
So much to see.
Let's
and
go
do.
back.
We were only there for a couple nights because we're on the way back home, and this is a great place to stop. And why not add one more amazing national park to the epic adventure out west? If you haven't seen our epic adventure out west, check it out. It was epic. And I remember we had a blowout the first day. I preached the gospel all over the place. Now at the top of a mountain in Colorado. So, I mean, it was fun.
So,
and
let's talk about the campground. It's a campground review.
I'm excited.
He's excited.
I'm excited. The Bible is awesome. The Word of God is awesome. I'm excited. It's living and active. It's powerful. It's inside of me. I gotta let it out. So, what about the campground, honey?
Campground. I liked the campground.
No showers. I mean, come on.
They had, technically...
Get a shower. They had a shower stall. It was like bring your own bag.
Bring your own bag of water.
I guess we probably should have filled up our tanks.
Absolutely.
But, you know, after you've been driving for like 8-9 hours, you just want to like set up and eat dinner. Or, you know, that's what we do. We set up and eat dinner.
That was our own mistake. We should have filled up our water tank because they do have bathrooms, and our site D123 was right by the bathhouse. They were all kind of around the bathhouse. That's
not the site we reserved, though, is it?
No, the one we reserved actually was on the number on the bathhouse.
It was a mystery. We actually reserved the bathhouse as our campground.
Yes. So when we checked in, they were like, "Oh, you're the strange one that we had to switch it around."
I'm glad we could help them discover that issue.
So don't worry. They fixed it. You cannot reserve the bathhouse. Anyhow, so it's a nice loop. It's basically the whole loop was parallel parking. So there's no backing in. It was just like, He did go around the other way on the one-way street so that we could have the door facing the way we wanted it. Lots of people did that.
Yeah. That way the kids aren't running around playing in the street when they go out the front door.
But no, they were up the best climbing tree of our whole trip. They had a great time in that tree.
It was a big pine tree.
Big pine tree. Had a great time. So, yeah, dry camping, no showers, but
they had the
good
stalls.
bathhouse.
They had the stalls. So bring a bag.
Or bring your own shower.
Or fill up your tank. Yeah, fill up your tank.
Rocky Mountains were beautiful. I definitely would love to go back for a longer time. You can do hikes, you can do lakes, you can do all of that kind of stuff. Plus, there is Estes Park, Colorado, which is a cute little town that we drove through on the way there.
Yep.
I do recommend staying in the national park, especially because when we were there, they were limiting traffic hours. So if you weren't staying there, you had to only be there between like 9 and 5 or something. But we got a special parking pass, And they were like, don't worry, this little pass is going to let you go wherever you want, whenever you want, because you're staying in the park. So
you just get an extra hour in the morning, kind of frees up traffic a little bit.
Yeah.
Because it can get really busy in there. So
yeah, we didn't have to worry about it.
Trying to cut down on the flow a little bit. And I don't know if, was it 3 or maybe 3 or 4? I don't know. Was it to 5?
I think it was 9 to 5.
Okay.
So, like, basically the whole evening.
Yeah, it wasn't too restricted, but...
It was lovely. We had some lovely campfire meals. Good camp ring, fire ring with the grate that goes down over it. Loved it.
Hate it when they don't have those. I mean...
They did have firewood for sale.
We started bringing our own grill cover.
Yes.
Grate.
Yes.
Because...
You never know.
Just sometimes there's a fire pit, but no way to cook over it.
Well, we have an outdoor stove now, but in our original camping days, we were like, what am I supposed to do?
Outdoor stove, but not an outdoor grill. Yes. I want a grill. We'll cook them hot dogs and brats and burgers and stuff.
Over the fire.
Mm-hmm.
Fire.
That's what I'm talking about. Where's the fire?
So, I do recommend this campground, and we liked it. I would give it 3.5 stars.
Yeah, I mean, if they had a shower, definitely
it would be
a
4
solid
if you
4.
had a shower.
Yeah, get a shower, please.
So anyhow, this was a lovely time. Wish we could stay longer. They did sell firewood. Did they have ice? I don't remember.
Yeah, they had firewood, some treats and snacks and stuff.
You can tent camp there. You can use a pop-up camper there. You do need to keep your food items in your vehicle. Mm-hmm. We did not have a bear box. They said don't worry about it, and we were a little worried about it, but I did ask a tent camper on our same loop, and I was like, what's the deal with the bear? Because when they checked in, they said, oh yeah, there was a bear sighting here a week ago.
No big deal.
No big deal. We're like, it sounds like a big deal to me.
You just walk through.
The other tent camper said, oh yes, I do know. He just literally walked right through the camp in the middle of the day, just randomly.
He was on the way somewhere. He was on the way.
Yeah, so it was okay. It's okay. Yes, it's bear country. Yes, you're going to be okay. Lock up your food. Watch our video about camping in bear country. We'll be all right. Have you some bear spray.
Mm-hmm.
Check out the Rocky Mountain National Park. It's worth the stop if you're passing anywhere remotely through. Check it out.
It's worth the drive just to go there pretty much anywhere.
Anywhere. Yeah. Check it out. Thank you for watching this adventure in Adventures and Pop-Ups. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy camping.